I'm going to show you how the speech bubble tracked the ball. The first speech bubble is there, but the second speech bubble isn't there yet. I'm going to show you how you add it. So this is the clip where I want to have the ball tracked. Click it, press Alt and duplicate it. That gives me the option to go back if I make a mess of it. With the playhead and the clip highlighted, I go to Fusion. We've got an input node, an output node. The output node is displayed here, and with the input node highlighted, you press Shift and space bar and it will come up with, I've already got tracker in there, but if it were not there, all you have to do, you don't have to search for it, there's quite a few of them. All you do is start to spell it. So tracker was TR, tracker comes up, click on it, add, and as long as this was highlighted, it goes into the correct place. The clip that you're looking at extends from this yellow line here at the beginning to a yellow line at the end. I'm going to show you how to track backwards. And in order to track backwards, you need to have the playhead one frame back from the end of the clip, and that's where it is now. In order to track, you click this rectangle here. It has a little highlighting spot in the top left hand corner. If you click on it, it magnifies things to make it easy for you to place the point, the middle of the this rectangle over the item that you want to track. We are ready to track, but we need to change operation. It says operation none. You need to click on that, so you go to operation and you change that to match move. We can then go to tracker again, and because it's going to track backwards, we need to press the arrow that's facing backwards, and it says there track reverse. So we click on it, it's following the ball, doing a good job, not a problem. It's tracked all the way to the beginning. That looks fine to me, so you click OK. We now need to bring in the speech bubble, so you drag it in. You can click on it, hold down the button, your left mouse button, and drag it into this area here, and it shows you the speech bubbles, so you know you've got the right one. We now need a transform node, so you click on this item here, and if this is highlighted and you click transform, it will put the transform into the right position, in other words connected correctly. If we now take the output of that transform, which is the square, and put it into the tracker node, you'll note that the bubble is now placed on top of your footage, and you can pick up with this little gizmo at in the middle and move the bubble to where you want it. If you want to get it more precisely, you can utilize these controls here in the X and Y to get it just where you want. If you now press play, it will track, and that's successful. So we'll go back to the beginning. We now need to put the text in. So the text needs to go in to the transformer. We click on the bubble node and go to text, which is text plus here, and click that. It puts the text into line with the transformer utilizing a merge node. So what it's doing is merging the text and the bubble. It's merging those together and then feeding them into the transformer node and then into the tracker node. So text, click on it, go over to here and put your text in the normal manner. Right, I've put my text in and I'm going to size it. And in layout, I can use the X and Y to position it. It's actually not too bad there. And if we play that, you've got a final animation. If you decided that the bubble was obscuring something, some action or other, and you wanted to have a transparent bubble, as long as you're using a shade of white, this is about 90%, 90 to 95%, so that it's not too white. If you want to make that transparent, all you have to do is go to the tracker node and then it's operation where it says apply mode, normal, click down and choose darken. You've got to have a border for it to work. If we now go back to our timeline, here's the clip we've been working on. If you bring that over your clip, if you then play that, I've tried to keep it simple, so if you follow each move carefully, it should work for you. Thanks for watching.